When viewed from space, the predominance of Earth's oceans is readily apparent. The oceans and their marginal seas cover nearly 71% of Earth's surface, with an average depth of 3,688 meters, 12,100 feet. The exposed land occupies the remaining 29% of the planetary surface and has a mean elevation of about 840 meters, approximately 2,755 feet. Actually, all the elevated land could be hidden under the oceans and Earth reduced to a smooth sphere that would be completely covered by a continuous layer of seawater more than 2,600 meters, 8,530 feet, deep. This is known as the sphere depth of the oceans and serves to underscore the abundance of water on Earth's surface. Everything on Earth depends on the oceans and all the marine life in it. Without the sea there would be nothing. Imagine all of the goods shipped around the world daily. Now imagine him not. Pretty scary, right? Throughout this coral reef is an abundance of marine life, each one unique to the environment and their contributing role. This reef itself is alive. Coral reefs are some of the most diverse ecosystems in the world. Coral polyps, the animals primarily responsible for building reefs, can take many forms: large reef-building colonies, graceful flowing fans, and even small, solitary organisms. Deeper below into the darker water, life still thrives. But not for long. Rapid climate change is killing the reefs. Along with overfishing, pollution and many other man-made problems, they're fading away. The world's coral reefs do more for the planet than provide underwater beauty. They buffer shorelines from the effects of hurricanes. An estimated 500 million people earn their livelihoods from the fishing stocks and tourism opportunities reefs provide. The tiny animals that give rise to reefs are even offering hope for new drugs to treat cancer and other diseases. The seas and all their resources could remain plentiful with our help. Sea turtles are amazing swimmers. The sea is truly their element. During the first 3 to 5 years of life, sea turtles spend most of their time in the pelagic zone floating in seaweed mats. They can be found in all oceans on the planet.